Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video we're going to be looking at seven, that's right, seven really important platforms or tools that can be used. They're the seven best AI homework helpers to streamline your learning journey in 2025. Let's get started. Now, many of us have had one problem or another, or you've been stuck on a tough problem. Maybe you're just not feeling Shakespeare tonight or anytime. Well, we've all been there. Homework can be tough, but what if there was a way to make it a little easier actually? Now, these tools we're going to talk about, the seven tools, act like a personal study buddy. They're available 24/7 to explain complex. They're there to explain complex problems and everything to make it easier on you, to make learning easier, to make the assignments easier, to make everything easier. The first we have here is Brainly. Now, Brainly says, get a boost for homework, studying, and test prep with Brainly, the AI learning companion. You can sign up for free. The free is with ads, so you can get ad-free learning starting at $3 per month. Now, what do you gain from using Brainly? You get expert verified homework help, unlimited 24/7 support powered by AI and verified by experts. You also get personal study plans designed just for you to help you ace your tests, quizzes, and exams with AI-powered test preparation. You also get instant answers to unlock infinite discoveries. You can dive deeper into topics and gain a better understanding of those topics. Now, expert knowledge enhanced by AI, so you can get unlimited homework help, dive deeper with AI, and be ready with test prep. You can sign up for free and you can also meet the experts. So, these are the experts we have: Susan Carter, Biology, Chemistry and Physics; Stephen H., Social Studies; and Cash Dexter for Maths. So, they get a 4.7 based on 261.4K ratings. A learning companion that goes wherever you go. Never get stuck again with your personal learning companion like a tutor in your pocket. So if you have word of questions, meet a word of answers. It's very nice. Or subjects, you can see the subjects here and everything. Then you can see other people that's participants and those that are registered for it. It is as simple as that. The next one we're going to be looking at is Socratic. Now, Socratic asks you, are you stuck? You can learn better. So get unstuck and learn better. Now, we have it works for all subjects. It was built to support science, math, literature, social studies, and more. We have fiction, drama, poetry, algebra, geometry, trigonometry, biology, chemistry, physics. It is built for learning with help from teachers. Socratic brings you visual explanation of important concepts in each subject. It is powered by Google AI, so using text and speech recognition, the app surfaces the most relevant learning resources for you. You can see an example for maths here. Loved by teachers and students. Many people have a lot of nice things to say about it. So you can download the app and use it for your assignment. The next we have is Check. Now, this Check says it is an evolution of 24/7 study. So it's a quick step-by-step solution when you need them to tell you everything. What do you need? What do you like help with? You put in the question and to help you out with. The solution gives you are backed by verified experts, and it also has specialized tools to help you master your courses. It's also tailored to support the way you learn. For example, this is an example. So 94% of Check customers say they get better grades when they use a Check to understand their coursework. You can get instant study help from your first assignment to your final exams. Get the right tools designed to help you learn. So that is it for Check. You can really get it. So it's for educators, for students, and to register, just click on join now. The next we have is Course Hero. Now, Course Hero is really good. Course Hero is really good. Now, what it does is it helps you because all you have to do is actually upload the documents you want to study. Yes, you have to upload the document, and you see AI powered answers, explanations, recommendations. It's a one-click tutor that gives you the help you need and more. So just upload your study document by clicking here, or you can easily type your question. So your documents will be shared on learning platforms and use to extract content to assist in studying. So for the best results, you have to upload docs with many questions, document many questions like multiple choice, fill in the blank, open-ended questions. It helps you study seamlessly to help you find all the relevant resources you need right within your own document. Gives you step-by-step explanations, recommendations, and help from expert tutors. This is an example I read. You click on, you send it there to analyze it like this. You can see, give you similar questions to solution, expert tutor help, and everything you need. It's very simple. You can even chat with your PDF. You can find materials for your course at your school. And by filling this, I'm a student at, write the name, and the course is, and you can get the course material. So it has so many things, study guides, practical questions, test prep, so many helpful resources. You guys can also explore top schools nearby. You can succeed with study help shared by students for specific schools and courses. You just check through them and you can click on view more to see more. So don't forget, Course Hero is not sponsored or endorsed by any college or university, but it gives you access to these college universities. So you can also see the best from the brightest, discover study documents recently uploaded by other students. You can see them and you can try AI chat with your PDF, view more, get help from experts 24/7. So you can see, you can ask a question and so much more. So you can download it on your phone, on your Android, iOS device from extension, and you can also use as tutors. So it has AI chat with PDF, grammar checker, paraphraser, proofreader, spell checker, and Course Hero quizzes. So it's really good. Next on our list is Photomat. Now if you need math help, which most of us do, meet Photomat. Now what it does is that it doesn't let you stress yourself because not everyone gets math on their first trial. So to give you a step-by-step explanation to help you break down problems so you can learn as you go. What all you have to do is scan the problem with your app, even word problems. You can also use the smart calculator to input a problem. Then a solution will pop up for the exact problem. There might even be multiple methods to choose from. You can see it scan the question. The solution will come up and to show you the steps. I click on show solving steps. Then you can learn. It is designed for learning, so check out each step to make sure you understand the solution. Just for you to just get the answer, but check out the steps to understand the solution, how it got solved. So you can get personal math help here, anytime, anywhere. You may feel like you're the only one who's confused, but not alone. Every single month, Math helps millions of learners understand their math. You can get the app on your phone or your device. So it explains math from elementary through to college. You have different elementary math, algebra, geometry, trigonometry, statistics, and calculus. So it helps you build your math mind. You can see math from different levels and stuff. If you want to see your articles, click on this. You can explore your options. You have the basic plan. It's free. You get step-by-step explanations, but there's no visual aids and there's no how and why tip. Then you can get the one where you pay $69.99 US dollars in a year, so annually. You get step-by-step explanations, custom visual aids, extra how and why tips. You also have the monthly one. You pay $9.99 and you get the same thing as this as you pay monthly instead of annually. As simple as that. Next on our list is Grammarly. Now this is number 6. Grammarly is a responsible AI that ensures the right translation shine. It's like working with an AI writing partner that helps you find the words you need to write that tricky email to get your points across and to keep your work moving. You can sign up for free. You tell it what you want it to do and to do it for you. It's as simple as that. So you get better writing and better results. So you'll be perfectly professional, clear and convincing in a few clicks, not a few hours. Get the right text for the right context. It works wherever you are, wherever you work, across all apps and sites you use. No copying, no pasting, no context switching. It never goes out of style, so it has your personal style and your brand style guide to help you find your voice. It's a responsible AI. It does not compromise on security. It doesn't sell your data instead they safeguard it. So you have nothing to worry about. You have plans, you can choose a monthly plan or a yearly plan. Usually the yearly plan you save up to 60%, and then you have a free plan for individuals. You not pay anything, you get all this. You have the pro plan, pay $2 per member, and then you get all this. Then you have the enterprise for large organizations. You have to contact sales department for the price. So this is really, really good. You can see people talking about it. So it's really good. Last but not least is Qbots. Now Qbots helps you for paraphrasing, grammar checking, AI detection, programming checker, and more. That's right. So it just put what you want it to modify. It can help you paraphrase it, check it, different ways, shorten form, formal, from academic form, more. So it has 8 important tools on one platform, like I said earlier. Paraphraser, grammar checker, programming checker, AI detector, translator, summarizer, citation, generator, and flow. You can sign up for free, or you can pay for the premium, like we can upgrade to premium. So it's an AI that writes with you, not for you. We work alongside you to help you craft clear, polished, and professional writing in a fraction of the time it usually takes. So welcome to the future of writing. So perfect word every time. Speed without sacrifice, clear, confident communication. Perfect any project you have with keywords. So if you're giving any essays, you can ace your essay. Do not stress over any paper. There's no worries. It will help you write an essay you're proud of and finish before the due time. And your professors will be impressed. So hope you found this review helpful on the seven important tools to help you with your homework. See you in the next video. Bye for now.